Hi guys and gals and assalamu alaikum to a brand new video and a very happy new year to all of you. Kidda ki हाल चाल fit fat तुसी लोकी and I know ये फरवरी का महीना आने वाला है but this is my first video of 2021. Sometimes I'm late Latif, you know, all the time I feel, but that's me. Today's video is actually in collaboration with you guys. So I asked you guys कि यार मेरे बालों में मैं कौन सा hair dye करूँ. I gave you guys two options. तो पहला option ये था. This is from L'Oreal Paris. I've never used this brand. This is in the shade brown 4. This is the first color. This is the second one. ये सबकी बहुत पसंदीदा है. This is in the shade 10 black. So yeah. Moving on you guys. I'm going to do the black on my roots. ये मेरा plan है and the brown on my lens. Roots में थोड़ा सा white है मेरे and then I have some henna. Apparently this is Himani's henna, which I will not recommend because it's definitely not pure henna. That's that. बहुत बातें कर ली. Let's move on to the hair dyeing situation because धूप चल रही है. Alright, so I'm back and you can see the hair dye situation. पूरी मैंने लगा ली है. One thing I'll say is that I am not happy with these gloves. तो अगर आप ये वाली hair dye जाके purchase करते हैं तो medical store से gloves purchase कर लेगा. ये बिल्कुल भी अच्छे नहीं हैं gloves. अगर आपको सिर्फ root touch up करना है so one box is going to be enough of this hair dye. But if you want to do the whole head with the lens, so at least buy 2 boxes of this dye to get the full coverage thing. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys after 30-35 minutes and we're going to do the rest of the process. So here is the result you guys. So my roots are covered. The box dye that I'm using, अब उसके ऊपर मैंने थोड़ा सा experiment किया था, थोड़ा सा I wanted to know what's going to be the results, so I actually tried it over here. Let's see what are the results going to be. So I'm going to mix the dye and we're going to start. Okay, so the only different thing in this kit is a serum and the rest is the same. So this is the first step and you will be getting another comb thing. Also please open a window because इस dye में ammonia है and you don't want to inhale that. All right, you guys. So I'm running out of daylight, तो मैं जल्दी से wind up करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. But are you guys looking at this result? It is absolutely fantastic. Let me just come closer so you can see. It's a very soft, nice black color. I will say that this is pretty accurate. That is that for this hair dye. I really like this one, but I will say that don't use it every single month. First thing is that the packaging is quite bulky. These are the three things that literally you need. There is another attachment that it comes with. You don't need that. The last thing is the conditioner. You get a lot of conditioner in this, or मेरा अभी भी इसके अंदर है, which I will not be using because of the smell of it. I don't like it. Yeah. But the thing is that this conditioner is like a treatment. So if I have to show you, so you can see this is a really thick conditioner. Can you guys see how thick it is? You can actually use this conditioner as a mask, and you can also use this conditioner to rinse your hair from the roots. Alright you guys, so that is all for today's video. It was a pretty long one, so shukran loads if you have stayed till the end of the video, और shukran loads as well कि अगर आप मुझे Facebook, Instagram पे follow करते हैं और आपने मेरी मदद की थी पोल के अंदर जहाँ पे मैंने पूछा था क्या मैं ये वाली हेयर डाई इस्तेमाल करूँ या नहीं करूँ. So I'll see you all in my next video. Take care of yourself and of your health as well. Rab rakha guys and gals. Bye. Bye.